Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Just a Fun Guy. This is Just a Fun Guy Coins. And today, I actually have a pretty special roll. I was doing some coin hunting a couple of weeks back, and I found this roll here. And this roll is actually pretty damaged. And today, I'm going to show you what's inside this roll, and I'm going to replace the roll with something much newer. I looked at this roll, and it looks like this is all 1960 pennies. They are not wheat cents, but they are copper. And they're all 1960s, it looks like. And considering these pennies are very old, and it looks like a lot of them aren't all that circulated. A lot of them actually look like they're in pretty good shape. I'm going to put some gloves on here. And I think I have the most epic gloves in all of coin roll hunting channels. Let's see here. Let's see if I find anything interesting. Actually, I know what I'll do. I'll grab my coin book. My coin book I have a 1959. I actually have a very shiny 1960 in my coin book, and maybe I can find a replacement for it. I think I won't find a shiny coin here. They all look like they're pretty dull 1960s. This one's the shiniest, it looks like. This is the best one so far. That's the shiniest one so far. You can't see how shiny it is on camera, but so far nothing's going to replace that 1960 in my book. I'm not. I'd have to look up the errors again and stuff I could look for in the 1960s, or just 1960 in general, but I don't think I see anything worth showing here. I'm just going to put it back in the roll, and I actually have a second thing of pennies I need to roll. I'm going to roll on camera. Well, I'm going to roll them off camera, but show you on camera. That's kind of what I'm doing here. So I'll get these rolled, and when they're done being rolled, I'll show you, and then I'll do the next pieces of coins I need to roll on camera. So I'm gonna get that done. See you with the next I'll see you when these are rolled here. All done. I wrote 1960 on my new penny roll here. My camera is actually essentially it's a mirror, so you won't be able to see it, but I wrote 1960 on here. These are going straight in the collection. Set them here for now. The next set of coins that I'm going to roll is not as impressive and shiny and cool as 1960. So I won't need my gloves for this, but these pennies here. These are uncirculated, not 19, but they're uncirculated 2019 pennies. 2019 is when I first really got serious with coin roll hunting, and I got a brand spanking new roll from the bank. I don't know why I didn't keep them in the roll, but I'm going to put these 2019s in this roll, and hopefully they stay uncirculated for a while. 2019 pennies, just like the pennies from this year, 2020, there are not that many errors, billions and billions minted, and they're probably going to stay common for quite a few years. But my thinking, 50 years down the line, my kids are going to want to hunt for and search for 2019 and 2020 pennies, and they'll think it's the coolest thing that I have. This video is kind of short, so I'm going to think of one more thing to put in a row. Okay, breaking news. The last that I was going to roll were my steel cents. These are steel 1943 cents, you know. But I'm thinking, they're in a tube. Why roll them when they're nice to be packed in a tube? And then I found this. This is another roll that's ripped, and I have to replace the roll. And the pennies inside are beautiful. These are 1976. You can see the glare on them. I only get glare like this from brand new pennies. And these are practically uncirculated 1976 pennies. Holy crap, only my camera captured how beautiful this penny was. It's a 1976 penny, but imagine finding a brand new penny in circulation back in 1976. That's how gorgeous these pennies are. If only I could get... Let's get another dang roll so I don't fall out of the roll. Got plenty over here. Here we are. This is a nice roll. And oh my gosh. These... Oh. Take a look at how shiny these pennies are. These are not brand new pennies, ladies and gentlemen. These are 1976. That's how gorgeous these pennies are. Oh, wow. I am so glad I have my gloves on for all these. And when it comes to my 1976 pennies here, I'm not going to search for any errors or varieties. I just want to put them in this roll and forget about them for another 30 years. So by the time 1976 pennies are actually worth something, I'll say I have some uncirculated ones. Other than showing you my steel cents, I think there is nothing topping these shiny 1976s. I think I'm just going to end my video right here. My name is Just a Fun Guy. You've been watching Just a Fun Guy Coins. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon. Until next time, I'm signing off. So long, YouTube.